How to redeem 16-digit Amazon gift card. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 16-digit Amazon gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, log in to your Amazon account. Make your way to Amazon's site and click the Sign In button in the top right corner next to the search bar. You must have an Amazon account in order to redeem a gift card and purchase anything on Amazon. So if you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign yourself in. Next, click the Your Account tab. Once you sign in, this will be in the same spot where the Sign In button was, that is in the upper right hand corner next to the search bar. Now, find and tap on the Redeem a Gift Card option. A series of rectangular icons will appear once you have entered your account. Select the icon that says Gift Cards, then click the option to redeem a gift card under your gift card balance at the top of the page. Now, enter your gift card's claim code in the empty field. A new screen will load after you select the Redeem a Gift Card code option. Use the 14 or 15 character code on your Amazon gift card in the field under Enter Claim Code. Dashes are not required, and then click Apply to your balance. Amazon will now pull money from this balance at checkout instead of your normal payment. Finally, enter the gift card code when you check out for an alternative option. Shop as you normally would and fill up your cart. Then, after clicking Proceed to Checkout, change your payment method to Payment Method and type or paste your claim code into the empty field under Enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code in your available balance tab. Select Apply and finalize your order. So, this is how you can redeem 16-digit Amazon gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.